That's what I'm doing. Listening to myself, recording this quick bit of info and intel, show myself that it can be done. Just digging in deep. Had a small little workout in front of this right here. But now I'm about to put a bow on this rain run. Enjoy your day. Be productive. Take out your 24. Jump on it. Don't let it get away from you. Attack it. Focus. Reset. Repeat. Pace yourself. Pace yourself. It's a battle against you in the mirror, not nobody else. Just you in the mirror. That's your opponent. Come out to battle 0-1. You come out to battle 1-0. The work you put in determines the results you're going to get. I know us. We're going to come out to battle with the win in the column. That's the plan. Come out with a win in the column. Every time we step on the field of life, come out with a win on the column in everything you do. That's what we do it for. That's why we do it for. Stay productive. Grinding for it. Can you say the same? If not, get about our lane, okay? I want to thank you, kings and queens, for coming out. I want to thank you, new viewers and subscribers, for coming out. Like, comment, subscribe. Even let me know what you dislike. Because I'm trying to build this so we can all grow off this with that ladder drop. Hope that you, kings and queens, have a good rest of the day, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the night, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the week, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the month, wherever you're at. Hope that you have a good rest of the year, wherever you're at. Focus, reset, attack. Let's do this again. Roll it.
No, really, hold up. Hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we ain't letting up. Hold up, who they playing with? If she get up in your face, tell her we ain't playing. Hold up, who they playing with? We ain't stopping, we gon' show them. Who? Hold up, we ain't playing. If they get up in your face, man, tell her we ain't stopping. Hold up, you think I'm playing?